Welcome viewers. In this video, I will perform a model analysis of an aeroplane wing by using a FEA software, means ANSYS software. So let's start. So this is a geometry and this is a number of coordinate given point, and there is one problem statement. Okay, so I'll read the problem first. Wing are fixed to the aeroplane body on one end. So this X, Y, Z coordinate, this end as a fixed body, and other end is a hang freely. So this section is a freely. Wings material density is a 1.033 e raised to 3 minus 3 slugs per inch square. Young models is a given is a 38,000 psi, and Poisson's ratio is a 0.27. So calculate the natural frequencies and mode shapes on aeroplane wings. Now there is a one table here. In that table is a point number is a given 1 to 5. Let's see, here is a 1 2 3 4 5, and there is a coordinate. So let's see a Z direction. Here is a 10 inch. Okay, so let's start. Open ANSYS. Job name wing analysis, wing model analysis. That's it. Click on the run button. And wait for some times. Okay, here is a mechanical APD launcher is open now. This is a software, ANSYS software. So minimize them. Okay, now click on preferences. So this is the structural type of discipline. So click on OK. Preprocessor, element type, add edit, add element. In that element, first we create a plane, and then this plane we have to convert into this area into volume. So go to solid. First select a plane. Plane is a quad 4 node 182, and element type number is a 1. So click on apply. Again go to solid and click on a brick 8 node 185. This is a volume. Okay, so click on OK. So see, one is a plane and another one is a solid. So click on a solid, go to option, and element technology change with K2 simple enhanced trend. Click on OK, close. Now go to material property, material model. In that material model, structural, linear, and this isotropic material property. So modulus of elasticity is a 38,000. Then Poisson's ratio is a 0.27. Click on OK. Now put here a density. Density value is 1.033 e raised to minus 3. Click on OK. Go to material and exit. So by material properties apply now. Now create a point, key point. So go to modeling, create key point in active coordinate. First value is 0 0 0. Apply. Second value is 2 in x direction. Apply. Third point is a 2.3 and 0.2. Now click on apply. Next point is a 1.9, and here is a 0.45. Okay, click on again apply, and last point is here is a 1, and last point is a 0.25. Then okay. So see here 1 2 3 4 5 point I have to create. Now go to line, straight line. Click on 1 to 2, 1 to 5. Then okay. Now remaining portion is some arc is here, because this is an aerofoil shape. So go to spline, then with option, then click on spline through key points. Click on key points, select 2 3 4 and 5. Click on OK. So what is the start tangent is a -1, and what is the ending tangent? This value is a -1, and there is a value is a -0.25. Click on OK. So see here arc has created. Now creating this section into area, arbitrary area. by lines, then select one line, then arc, and then line. Click on OK. So area is created now. So this area is a depend upon the element is a plane, okay, plane element. Now I have to create a mesh density for this area. Then go to here, size control, manual size, global size, and what is the value here? 1.15. Then click on OK. After that, go to mesh, then area, free area, pick all, and close. So meshing is done now. So this meshing is only plane meshing. Again, first, before going to this volume density, I have to change some number of divisions. Okay. So again, go to size control, manual size, global size, and this value is 0, and number of element division is suppose 15. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now again go to attribute define, mesh attribute, default attribute, select element type. So first is a 2D is a plane. Now I have to convert volumetric meshing. So click on a solid, second number of element type, click on OK. Now go to modeling, then operate, then extrude, then in the extrude area by XYZ offset, in XYZ offset pick all value and put a value Z direction is a 10. Why? Because, one second, see here this is a 10 inch. Okay, so I have value put here is a 10, then okay, close, and change view isometric view. Okay, so this is a aeroplane wings. Now go to load, analysis type, new analysis, and model analysis. Okay, then analysis option, and here is a value number of modes extract 5. Similarly, number of mode expand is a 5. You can choose of 10 or 15, no problem. So I have calculate frequency only 5 points. So click on OK, then OK, and deselect the plane 42 elements. So go to select entity, and here in entity element first, then by attribute. So what is the plane element? Is a 1 number. So put here is a 1 value, and then unselect all, then apply. After that, again go to constraint for this model. So apply constraint, go to node, then here by location. So by location, where is the constraint apply? At the XYZ coordinate point, means fixed point. So click on a Z, and what is the value of this value? 0. And here is a full, from full, again apply. After that, first I have to apply load. So define a load, apply structural, and this XYZ coordinate, this Z coordinate is a fix. Okay, so structural displacement, and on a node, and pick all degree of freedom is a 0. Okay, so see here isometric view, this is a fixed point. Click on raise hidden, and here again nodes by number pick, reselect, and select all, then cancel. So load and all procedure are done now. So click on solution. In that solution, solve current ls. Okay, execute, yes, and solutions are done. Close this window, go to general post processing. In that result summary, so I have to create how much point. I have to create total substep is a 5. So click on this window, read result, first set, plot control, animate first set, mode shape, time delay and frame is a 10 and 0.5. Click on OK. So this is the first set. So you can suppose capture. So close this, go to here a report generator, and report name if you have to choose, then yes, created. In that you have to capture an image as well as you have to capture as an animation here. So suppose animation capture, so which animation? Mode shape. Okay, and degree of freedom solution is a deform shape only. Click on OK. So this is a capture into your selected directory. Similarly, next set, plot control and animate, mode shape. Okay, so this is a second set. Okay, so what is the second set? Frequency 17.27. So suppose see here a result summary. Second point is at 17 point. See here 17.27. Then go to next set, plot control, animate, mode shape. Okay, so what is the frequency? 22.44. So go to result summary and check 22.44. Okay, so you have to enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.